edge to the corner of the globe.
Where there's a wheel, there's a way. Unforgivable cycling sins, which make motorists mad and cyclists, sometimes, silent forever. Cutting in is a quick way to the mortuary, so is shooting out, without regard for oncoming traffic. So don't.
It takes the sigh out of cycling.